Hello, good morning Wednesday. This is the last day of 2025, guys. Happy New Year to everyone there and here. Good health for 2026 and more blessing. Yes, very important, guys. Good health, good health, good health. Amen. Another day on a vlog. Look at this. It's snow still, slippery still. Look at that. Slow po tayo dahil icy. Alright. Wala masyadong tao ngayon. It's holiday now, but I'm going to work. Sayang din, guys. Sayang din. Pang bulsa. Pang kalingking sa bulsa. Sayang din eh. Diba? 100 din yun. Oh, the in peso is 4,000 4,300. Thank you. Wala masyado tao ngayon, guys, kasi holiday. Holiday na. We're going to the metro. Open sesame. Ay. Magme-metro po tayo, guys. Malayo ating pupuntahan. Bye-bye! We're here. Saan na tayo? Nalito na ako, guys. Uy. I'm here. We're here, guys. We're going to here. Oh my. Dito 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 stop. Let's go. Ayan ang train. Yan na ng train. Happy New Year, everyone. Last day of the year 2025. Thank you for everything.
Prochaine station, place Saint-Henri. Correspondance avec la ligne de l'autre côté.
Walang katao-tao, guys. Oh. Yun, may tao rin. Pero kukunti yan. Kasi mostly nag-holiday na po yung mga iba. It's 31 morning here. Yeah. This underground train.
Prochaine station, Georges Vanier. Prochaine station, Lucien Lallier. Prochaine station, Place d'Armes.
Chinatown, guys. Chinatown station. Papalama guys. Papalama. Lakas-lakas pa oh. Magpapalama. Sana all. Bye-bye Chinatown. Matagal na ulit pumunta sa Chinatown. Pag wala talaga sadya guys, hindi ako pupunta. Opo. Bye-bye. Heart, heart, heart. Heart, heart, heart. Happy New Year.
Attention à tous les voyages. Le train devra ralentir à l'approche de la...
Very welcome guys. This the station going to Toronto. Mag-train kayo. Yeah, you take a train going to Toronto. This is station. Malalim yan no. Mga isang tao. Kalalim. Daming siraulo guys. Depressed na sila.
Prochaine station, Mont-Royal.
Andito na tayo guys. 14 station. Galing po tayo dito. 'Di ba? Haba. Layo no? Ayan, bumaba na tayo guys. 14 station. Bye-bye metro. Bye-bye train. Rarakit tayo guys. Rarakit tayo. Sayang din. Bye-bye. Thank you. Exit tayo dito. Sayang din guys. Pang pang bulsa, pang wallet, barya. 'Di ba? Ganun lang buhay. Sipag-sipag konti. May isa parating. Walang katao-tao guys kasi holiday na. Opo. Yeah. Rarakit lang tayo. Sandali lang yun. Matik-matik natin. Matik-matik natin para makauwi maaga. Sayang din, di ba? 100, oh. Ita miss 43 mo. So, may 4,300 tayo ngayon. Madulas dyan. Ayaw ko dyan. Dito na tayo sa kalsada. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Happy New Year, everyone. 2026, Philippines. Mamaya pa kami, guys. Mamayang gabi. We're 12 hours different from Philippines. Yeah. Alright. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Love you all and God bless. More blessing and more good health. 2026. Bye-bye.